Doctor's secret. Clean arteries of plaques and clots in just 10 days. Blocked arteries? High cholesterol? Heart worries keeping you up at night? Imagine if there were a simple, natural remedy to unclog your arteries and drastically reduce your heart disease risk in just 10 days. Sounds unbelievable, right? But a renowned Russian doctor has uncovered an ancient, science-backed remedy that's been shaking the medical world. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll learn how to protect your heart, cleanse your blood vessels, and live a healthier, longer life, all with one incredible solution. The best part? You can start right away. Segment 1. The silent danger of clogged arteries. Did you know that clogged arteries are a leading cause of heart attacks, strokes, and countless other health problems? Plaque buildup in your blood vessels happens silently until it's too late. Cholesterol, toxins, and inflammation work together to create blockages that can reduce blood flow and strain your heart. But the good news is you don't need expensive treatments or invasive surgeries. According to this Russian doctor, the remedy we're about to reveal can naturally break down plaques and dissolve clots in record time. Segment 2. The secret ingredient. So, what's the secret? It's not a pill, surgery, or expensive therapy. It's a natural remedy you can make at home. This powerful recipe combines just a few ingredients, but each one is packed with properties that fight inflammation, lower cholesterol, and clean your arteries like a pro. Ready to find out what's in it? Drumroll, please. Key ingredients. 1. Garlic. Known as nature's antibiotic, garlic contains allicin, which improves blood flow, reduces cholesterol, and fights inflammation. 2. Lemon. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, lemon detoxifies your body, prevents plaque buildup, and strengthens your blood vessels. 3. Honey. This natural sweetener is anti-inflammatory, boosts immunity, and complements the other ingredients perfectly. 4. Apple cider vinegar. ACV lowers bad cholesterol, LDL, and balances pH levels, keeping your arteries in prime condition. 5. Ginger. A potent anti-inflammatory that prevents clots and reduces oxidative stress. Segment 3. How to make the remedy. Now here's how to prepare this life-changing remedy. 1. Take 4 to 5 garlic cloves and crush them. 2. Mix the crushed garlic with the juice of 2 lemons. 3. Add 2 tablespoons of honey and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. 4th, grate 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger into the mix. 5. Stir everything well and store it in a glass jar in the refrigerator. Take 1 tablespoon of this mixture daily, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach, for the next 10 days. You'll be amazed at the results. Segment 4. Why this remedy works. Garlic and ginger dissolve plaques and prevent clots. Lemon and apple cider vinegar detoxify your system and protect your blood vessels. Honey boosts your immune system and balances the acidic nature of the other ingredients. The synergy of these natural elements works wonders in just days, clearing blockages, boosting circulation, and revitalizing your heart health. Segment 5. The science behind it. This remedy isn't just folklore, it's supported by science. Studies show that garlic reduces arterial stiffness by up to 72%, while lemon's antioxidants combat oxidative stress linked to heart disease. Ginger has been shown to lower cholesterol levels significantly, and apple cider vinegar improves overall cardiovascular function. Together, these ingredients create a heart-saving formula that's as effective as it is simple. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you in the next video.